It's 5:45 on a Thursday, and we just pulled up to Home Depot because we are going to get a Starlink. We saw that they had them online at Best Buy, and then we're like, oh, we really want to go to Best Buy. And then I thought that they had them at Home Depot. So instead of having it shipped to the post office box and waiting and blah, 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 we're just going to pick it up here after Tucker feeds on this tree. And then we don't have to worry about it because we are over the internet not working. I haven't been able to upload my video. I started trying to upload on Monday morning, so it would go up Tuesday, and I couldn't get it to upload, and I've been trying and there's nothing. And then like our Verizon hotspot, we run out so quickly. So anyway, we are gonna run in here and get the Starlink. We're waiting on the bench for them to bring one down. They couldn't find them, so and hopefully he actually does have one because it says they have 3. So we didn't want to drive all over the place. Hopefully. Protection plan.
No, add it, yeah.
Add it, yeah.
Okay.
Hell yeah, we're going down to the quick,
We're opening our Starlink. We got it last night, and then we're gonna hook her up today.
Actually,
Tucker has to be right in the mix. We're filming this inside, and you have to ignore the air conditioner noise because it's hot outside and real windy, so we are inside. The air conditioner is right above our head, but we're not going to roast.
boy, quite the unboxing.
I know it. And for $700. It was $5.99 and then plus tax, and then we got the extended warranty, which was $100. We got this at Home Depot. I'll link it down below. You can obviously just order it from Starlink as well, but then you don't have to wait for it to come in the mail.
Yeah, if you have the patience to wait for that long.
Yeah, nobody has the patience for that, I don't think. We don't. I mean, I always say nobody. We don't.
We don't.
Yeah, so.
Okay, now let's see. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, ta-da! That's it.
Ooh, wow. She's way bigger than I expected.
Yeah, you thought it was
going
to be a little smaller, huh?
I thought she was going to be half that size, actually. Wow, because you see them on, YouTube, and they look smaller than that. That's bigger than the dog. Oh, you got all the things. Look at that. Wow. That's a lot of cable.
So this is supposed to be just the installation kit for everyone to be able to install it, right? Anybody that needs it or whatever.
Yep. So we're gonna work on getting her connected.
It looks like it has a quick connect type thing, so. Yep.
Nice. So it ought to go pretty quick.
So do the app.
Okay. We're downloading the app. We have 19%. So in the meantime, We're gonna hook it all together. We're gonna put 1 to 2 and 3 to 4 and whatever the deal is.
Step by step. Look at that.
Yeah, we're gonna follow
1,
instructions.
2, 3, 4. So 4 steps and we're done.
Well, Dale's gonna follow instructions. Excellent. Hopefully that air conditioner noise really isn't too loud, but it's like 92 degrees today and it's kind of warm and 62%. We're getting there. Like how they want you to download the app. We have no internet. Download the app's gonna take forever.
The whole idea of
Starlink. But first step is download the app. I mean, I guess they figure you have phone signal, but our phone signal's not so great here. Mine always tells me I'm in some other country. It always asks me when I make a call, do you want to make this call? It's international. So that's probably why my phone doesn't work great, but anyway, it doesn't.
So
work.
this we're gonna have to stand up in here somewhere for. This is what does it, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah, so we'll find a spot for it, huh? Yeah, we have to find a home for our, is it like the router or whatever it's called?
Yeah, whatever you call it, I don't know.
Which thing has to go inside? Both of them?
Yes.
Oh, okay. And
the
then
only
this
thing that's outside is the antenna, and that cable is the length of whatever it needs to go. So we need to.
Yeah, we'll put it up here. Okay. This is what we came up with because we remembered we had this hatch. So we're like, oh, that's perfect to put the Starlink just up the hatch. So we're gonna just move this out of the way, and then we're gonna.
Yeah, that's gonna work out good too because we can just set it up and.
Yeah, because you don't even have to get out. Like you can just stand up here. Like you don't even have to crawl up here really. You can just sit it, and then yeah, we can take it down. We don't have to like.
And our food storage area and extra storage.
Our extra storage area, yes, but it's a small space. So give you quite a long bit of cable, so you can definitely throw it up wherever you want.
Alright.
We have a guy across the way from us actually that has a Starlink.
So we're gonna point it.
We're gonna point it the direction his goes. So, and good news, the app downloaded, so that's next. So we have the Starlink up here, and then we have the 2 little boxes, and then we have her plugged in, and we're gonna hook her up now and see what happens. We have to move the Starlink 35 degrees according to the app. Well, we got it connected. It's gonna charge us like $250 a month. So you put in all your information, you pick Rome, it says starting at $150, and then you go to check out and it's $250 and it says $250 a month. And then there's like no option to look to see like, okay, is there an activation fee? Because Dale brought that up and I'm like, oh, okay, maybe there is like a one-time, you know, $100 activation fee. But I'm like, it says $250 a month. So I had to like completely like get out of the app, and then I went on to the internet, like the actual website, and clicked, hey, we already have the stuff, here's the plan I want, because it was like defaulting to priority, which I'm sure is great, but we're not going to pay $250 a month. And so then I clicked the $150 a month. I picked the plan online, and then I went back into the app and it said to activate the Starlink. So I did that, and it kept giving me this error, associated with an account, and I'm like, yeah, no kidding, it's associated with an account, like activate it. And then so then I got out and I went back into the app, and then it said it was connected. So far, like the unboxing was great, putting it up there was like pretty simple, connecting things were simple, the whole purchasing the plan and setting it up, not simple. And then I was like, okay, well, let me call somebody or something so I can, you know, figure out why it's $250 a month. There's no phone number, you can't talk to anybody, so just pray we don't ever have problems with Starlink, because we probably aren't going to be able to get any help with it. So we are going to connect it to our TV. We have a smart TV monitor, so we can hook a computer up to it. It's 40, is it 43? The size? 43 inch. So we are gonna hook that up and see how it goes, and then I might run or go get my laptop and see if I can upload a video. But so far, so we'll keep you posted. We'll update, we'll do more, and we'll see how it goes. But yeah, so far it's just meh. But if it works great, then our opinion will change, obviously. We have had the Starlink for exactly 1 week, and I have uploaded 2 videos. It did in fact upload my video, I mean, super fast, you know, compared to not being able to upload it at all. It takes about an hour for like a 15-minute video. It runs the TV, our phones, everything is super fast. We haven't had any problems with it at all. We just stick it out our hatch, we bring it in when we go, and yeah, it's really working out super great, and we are glad that we got it. Totally worth the investment. So if you are looking for Wi-Fi on the road, I do suggest Starlink. We will, you know, give it several months, and we'll make another video kind of updating, you know, what we think. But yeah, I mean, it's worth it. We love it. I'm sitting here editing now, and I am really happy to know that if I edit a video, I will be able to upload it. So that's going to do it for today's video. Comment down below if you have a Starlink, or if you're thinking about getting a Starlink, if you think it's worth all the hype. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new around here or you haven't yet, and hit that bell notification. That way you know every time I upload a video, and we will see you on the next one.